Welcome to the 6th World Nomad Games. From 1st to 6th September, the Issyk-Kul region will become the center of world ethnic sport, culture, and the traditions of nomadic peoples. Over 6 days, guests can look forward to sports competitions, an ethnic village, festivals, exhibitions, concerts, and dozens of cultural events. The main events will take place at 8 official venues. The Чолпон-Ата Center of Nomadic Civilization will host the Art Lab Creative Laboratory, as well as an international scientific conference. Admission is free. The Eurasia Hotel will host international tournaments in intellectual games, gorge, mangala, and avari. Admission is free. The Ruhordo Cultural Center will host the International Festival of Traditional Music, көчмөндөр sanatı. Admission is by ticket. Tickets can be purchased in advance at naps.gov.kg. The Gazprom Physical, Cultural and Health Complex will host competitions in national wrestling styles. Admission is free. At the Cholpon-Ata Hippodrome, guests can look forward to the Echo of Nomads Ethno Song Festival, horse races, and the official closing ceremony of the games. Admission to the horse races is free. Admission to the International Festival and the closing ceremony is by ticket. Tickets can be purchased in advance at naps.gov.kg. The Gogbaru Arena will host competitions in Gogbaru, Kökpar, Ereniş, and Tıyınengmey from 2nd to the 6th September. The final matches will take place on 6th September. Attending the competition from 2nd to 5th September is free. To attend the final matches on 6th September, a unified ticket must be purchased at naps.gov.kg. The Dordoy Nomad Amphitheater will host the Nomad Fest International Festival. Admission is by ticket. Tickets can be purchased in advance at naps.gov.kg. One of the main venues of the games will be the Universe of Nomads Ethno Village in the Kyrchyn gorge. Up to 100 events will take place daily in Ethno Village. Guests can look forward to the opening ceremony, concerts, theatrical performances, aytış, national competitions, national games and rituals, craftsmen's workshops, a food zone, an ethno bazaar, and national cuisine tastings. From 1st to 5th September, the Ethno Village will also host competitions and exhibition performances in national and traditional sports. Admission to the Ethno Village is free. Please note, personal vehicles are not permitted to enter the Kyrchyn Ethno Village territory. 2 paid parking areas are available for guests, from which free shuttle buses will run to the Ethno Village. Guests of the 6th World Nomad Games will be able to use shuttle buses to travel between the official venues of the games. They will depart from the following points: parking lot in a Bayat village near the Chaika Resort, Cholpon-Ata bus station, Cholpon-Ata Hippodrome, western part of Grigorievka village, center of Grigorievka village, Sadrake village before the turn to Semyonovskaya gorge, parking lot in Jarkombayev village. Special signs will be installed along the route directing visitors to shuttle bus departure points and parking areas. On the route to the Kyrchyn Ethno Village, shuttle buses will also stop at designated stops along the way where guests can be boarded. When returning from the Kyrchyn Ethno Village, choose the shuttle bus whose sign shows the name of your departure point. The bus will follow the corresponding route with stops and take you back to original boarding point. Before a trip, we recommend familiarizing yourself in advance with the games program, the venue map, traffic diagrams, and the rules for attending events. Alcohol is not permitted at games venues. If you need assistance during the games, please contact the headquarters at 1225 or via WhatsApp at 996-552-252-037. Specialists are available around the clock. We wish you vivid impressions and enjoyable stay at the 6th World Nomad Games.